Welcome back and thank you for joining us on your Glam Guide for the week. We have taken you through the most fancy do's in Dubai, and since we are privy to a lot of the gupshup that goes on there, we thought we would give you all some gyan on those very topics. These days, I hear a lot of people getting back some courage to invest in property. The Indian economy and the real estate sector in particular are high on its ride to prosperity. As India's economic curve rises, Real Estate India has emerged as one of the most appealing investment areas for domestic as well as foreign investors. Let's go over to the Indian property show that was held recently in Dubai and find out more. The Indian Property Show provides glimpses of the country's thriving real estate sector, and this year there was a special focus on luxury real estate with a dedicated luxury pavilion showcasing properties valued at Rs 20 million and more. This event also featured seminars on legal vastu as well as on property investments for all visitors. With an estimate of around 10,000 plus visitors, the show had about 58 exhibitors from India. Despite the downturn, the Indian economy has been quick to recover and retain its position as the fastest growing economy in the world. You can't really go wrong in investing back home, and while we were there, we made sure we met the right people who could give you the right tips.
We're here at the Indian Property Show, which is the largest exhibition of Indian property actually in the world. So we've got a huge amount of developers here, and it's really great to have a platform for NRIs, Indians here, to come and check out what's on offer in India.
I represent Unitech Limited. We are a 38-year-old company. We are India's second largest real estate company by market value. We have projects ranging from 15 lakhs up to 10 crores depending on the requirement of the customer.
Pune as a market, there's a tremendous growth story. It's the younger brother of Bombay, so it's the best alternative in terms of cheaper real estate and good quality real estate.
Unlike other markets, the Indian realty sector has been relatively unaffected by the recent global turmoil. The organizers are planning their next event in South Africa in March this year. And there's one more small yet significant sign of positive change in the economy, and that is the recently held Abu Dhabi International Motor Show, featuring a host of international names such as Ferrari, Cadillac, Chevrolet, Maserati, Lexus, Jaguar and many, many more. This event is a treat to behold for automobile lovers like me. The Abu Dhabi International Motor Show is the year's largest and most comprehensive motor show in the Middle East, staged under the patronage of His Highness Lieutenant General Sheikh Saif bin Zayed Al Nahyan, UAE's Deputy Minister and Minister of Interior. Held once every 2 years, the event features over 60 exhibitors, showcasing more than 200 vehicles, including around 20 regional and UAE launches. 50,000 satisfied visitors, ticket sales that exceeded the previous year by 250%, 80 exhibitors showcasing 50 brands of luxury cars, 400 latest models from over 30 global vehicle manufacturers, and 19 Middle East launch premieres. That's the roundup of what was experienced during this event.
The show's been a phenomenally busy success over the last few days. We've welcomed thousands and thousands of visitors to the event at ADNEC. Visitors have come to see everything from Ford to Ferrari, from Mazda to Maserati, and everything in between.
Hyundai now top 5 overall the world. Our aim to be number 4 by 2011 overall the world. Again, now we are in Abu Dhabi Motor Show. We expand our stand, we expand our investment to become the biggest ever Hyundai participating in a motor show over all the world.
For this year's Abu Dhabi Motor Show, we have 2 cars on preview. A Lexus LFA is the supercar, first supercar from Lexus. In fact, this is the first time a production car revealed in UAE, and we also have a City 200H. This is the first compact 5-door car from Lexus.
अब लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक. See you on the other side. ब्रेक के बाद एक मुलाकात बॉलीवुड की रानी से. Let's welcome Rani Mukherjee and Vidya Balan for the first time on High Life Dubai, followed by a meeting with the lucky winners of High Life Dubai Kenya contest courtesy HTT Dubai.